Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shariefuddin bin Muhammad Sukeri. My metric number is 51070. I'm student from Bachelor of Applied Science Fisheries. Today, I'm going to present my final year project titled Litterfall Production of Mangrove Rhizophora Species, a review. My supervisor is Associate Professor Dr. Abu Hena Mustafa Kamal. Okay, for the content including introduction, problem statement, objective, methods, results and discussion, conclusion and references. For the introduction, mangrove known as unique wetland ecosystems and also the most productive habitat in the world which located in intertidal areas of the tropical and subtropical coasts. G. Estrada et al. 2014. Besides, litter production is the main source of nutrient return because it increases soil organic matter and energy. Triadiati et al. 2011. Some climatic variables such as wind speed, temperature, rainfall, and evaporation may affect litter production. From Z. Faruqi et al. 28. According to Sharma et al. 2012, mangrove litterfall comprise mainly of leaves that are made available to consumers and decomposers. Rhizophora species is known to be among the most important of all mangrove genera in the Pacific tropical region. In specific, they grow in tropical and subtropical intertidal wetlands from the east coast of Africa across Asia to Micronesia, which expands east to northwest Pacific via the Federated States of Micronesia to the Marshall Islands and south to northern Australia to the east in the southern Pacific as far as Samoa. From NDU 26. So the problem statement of this study is lack of studies that compare the litterfall production of mangrove rhizophora species between region and countries. The objective of the study is to quantify and compare the litterfall production of mangrove rhizophora species. Method. The methods that I use is First step is collection of sources. The article and research papers were searched from the database such as Springerling, Google Scholar, Science Direct, and ResearchGate. Next, the keywords such as litterfall, mangrove, rhizophora, dry season, and seasonality were used to search the article. Next, analyzing data. All the articles and research papers were exported to Mendeley desktop to remove the duplicate. And then the data from each article, such as rate of litterfall production, were analyzed. And the last step is organizing data. The data that have been analyzed were organized in a table section of each data were made. This is the table for the results, which litterfall production of rhizophora species recorded from the different parts of the world. There have many region and countries that were recorded. ND is state for not detected. So from the table, based on the table 1, Rhizophora species mostly thrive in tropical region which normally have 2 seasons, which are dry and wet season. Tropical climate also have small range of annual temperature besides have well-distributed rainfall. However, in dry location, like in northern areas of Western Australia, the stunted but dense thickets of Rhizophora stylosa attest to the great adaptability of steppe mangrove to a wide range of climatic types. NDU 26. The litterfall production in the Aceh province, Indonesia, was found 28911.65, which was the highest in comparison to several other studies in the world, which is in the table 1. Usually, litter production is found higher in those forests which receive fresh water supply and are situated in estuaries. A. Lugo et al. 1974. For the conclusion, litterfall production of mangrove rhizophora species is high in tidal creek due to enhancement of freshwater runoff and seepage. The litter components of mangrove rhizophora species are mostly from the leaf while it is lower from the flowers due to its seasonality. Next, the highest litterfall production is found in summer while the lowest is in winter for the mangrove rhizophora species and influenced by season and climate. These are references that I use to analyze this data and for this thesis. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.